Have you ever wondered which coding tool is better? Today, we're comparing Replit and Claude. Both of these tools help you with coding and programming tasks. They make it easier to write code and get things done, but each has its own unique features. Let's start with Replit. Replit is an online coding platform. It allows you to write, run, and share code right in your browser. You can collaborate with others in real time, which is great for teamwork. Plus, it supports many programming languages, so you can work on different projects without switching tools. Now, let's talk about Claude. Claude is an AI assistant designed to help with coding. It can suggest code snippets and help you debug your programs. If you get stuck, Claude can offer solutions and explanations. It's like having a coding buddy who's always ready to help. So, what are the key differences? Replit is more about coding directly in a browser, while Claude focuses on providing AI support for your coding tasks. Replit is great for hands on coding, whereas Claude excels in guidance and assistance. When it comes to features, Replit offers a full coding environment with live collaboration. Claude, on the other hand, shines with its intelligent suggestions and problem solving abilities. Depending on your needs, one might be more useful than the other. In terms of pricing, Replit has a free version, but you can pay for extra features. Claude also has a free option with premium plans for advanced tools. So, who should choose what? If you want a complete coding platform, Replit is your best bet. But if you need an AI companion to help you code better, then Claude is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.